These are premium classic extensions. They usually come in one single piece. These are made from 100% human Remy hair, which is also double drawn, which makes it very premium. The one that you are seeing in the video is a natural black color. The size of the base patch, the width is around 8.5 inches and the height is around 2 inches. It's lightweight and comfortable. However, there are different options as far as color is concerned. There's darkest brown, there's dark brown, there's light brown, caramel highlights, caramel balayage. If you need any custom color, you can send us a request. This is mainly to add volume and length at the back. This is a perfect option for those who put one single set of extensions in their hair. There are silicone layered clips for extra comfort. These usually last for around 2 years and even more if you take care and condition them on a regular basis. As far as texture is concerned, there are 2 textures available, which is natural straight and natural wave. The hair length of the toppers of the one that you can see in the video is approximately 18 inches.